Okay, all are coming to join. Wait for 1 minute. You can go for the question. Okay, now you can see the question. In the chart box. See the question. So I'm screen sharing also. A garrison of 1500 has paused for 30 days. After 8 days, 600 left. After 8 days, 600 left. How long will the province last? A garrison of 1500 has provinces. 1500 has province for 30 days. After 8 days, 600 left. How long will the province last? To which a garrison of 1500 has province for 30 days. So already I'm getting answers also. 40 from Kiranmai. Very good answer from Kiranmai. Manage 40, very good. South India 40, very good answer. For the screen sharing. So a garrison of 1500 has province for 32 days. So I'm writing here. 1500 has province for 32 days. After 8 days, which 8 days remaining, this 1500 has province for 24 days. 32 minus 24 days. Now 600 left minus 600, it becomes 900. For 900, how many days? This is the question. This is the question. So 1500 to 24. 24 is equal to 900 into this 2 zeros, 2 zeros cancel. 3 3s are 3 8s are 3 1s, 3 5s. 5 into 8, 40. 40 is equal to 8. So the number of days is 40. So ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే లెఫ్ట్ అని చెప్తున్నాం. లెఫ్ట్ అంటే వెళ్ళిపోయారు. ఒకటి జాయిన్ అయ్యారనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్లేస్ లో ప్లస్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కొన్ని రోజులు వచ్చాక తర్వాత వెళ్ళిపోయారు అంటే జాయిన్ అయ్యారంటే యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ఇలా జాయిన్ అవ్వడం కెన్ యాడ్ చేయాలండి. చూద్దాం మోడల్ చూడాలి. ఓకే, గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ న్యూ మెథడ్. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం లెఫ్ట్ అని చెప్తున్నాం అండి. ఒకటి జాయిన్ అయితే ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూద్దాం అండి. సో నెక్స్ట్ మోడల్ చూద్దాం. See the next new model. One second, you can see in the next model. One second. One second. You can see the chart box. Right. Sai Kumar is telling that. So please mute all your phones, Nana. Those who are Ganesh, you are opening your. Please mute all your phones. Please mute Ganesh, Sai Kumar, Srikanth, and so on. Okay. Please mute all of your phones. Okay. Right. Now see here. Next new model. Write the question. Altaf Hussain sir video రావటం లేదు. Hussain, already all of you are getting the video. I hope the problem is in yours. Please tell me, all of you, anyone not getting video? Please tell me one of anyone. You are not getting videos. My video is not getting for you. Anyone tell me? Getting. Chetan telling the video is getting. Yes, Pradeep also telling video getting, sir. So Hussain, please check your laptop or whatever the phone. That is the problem in your side only. So you can not put a route on this, sir. Now Hussain tell you, okay, sir, okay. Then my okay. Neha, okay, right, sir. Okay, okay. So what is the question? I am screen sharing the question also. Screen sharing the question. A fourth of 3,300 has province for 50 days. After 10 days, there is a reinforcement of 2,400 men. How long will the fourth last? First of all, a fourth means nothing but factory or some garrison has food for 50 days. After 10 days, there is a reinforcement means join. Underline reinforcement. Underline reinforcement meaning is joining. Meaning is joining. So first of all, he was given 3,600 men. 3,600 men has food for 50 days. After 10 days means these 10 days they have to eat food. After 10 days means they have eaten the food means remove 10 days. Minus 10 days. So 3,600 men has food for 40 days only. 40 days, 50 minus 40 days. Now here there is a reinforcement of 2,400 plus reinforcement join. So it becomes 6,000 men. For this 6,000 men, the food lasts how many days? This is the question. This is the question. So first of all, there are 3,600 men food for 50 days. After 10 days means they have eaten. So minus 10 days. 3,600 has food for 40 days only. Now here there is a reinforcement is joining of 2,400. So 3,600 plus 2,400, the value becomes 6,000. How many days? Same formula. M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. This is M1. This is D1. This is M2. This is D2. M1 in the M2, D1 in the D2. M1 D1 means 3,600 into D1 means 40. That is equal to 6,000 into D2. 6,000 into D2. So these two zeros cancel. 6 10 times, 6 times. 0 cancel. 6 into 4, 24 is equal to D2. 6 into 4, 24 is equal to D2. That is the value. 6 into 24, the value is 24 is the answer. Write down this one by saying 24, right? So first of all, after 10 days, we already 10 days, 3 days, so minus 10 days. So 3,600 for only 40 days only. So there is a reinforcement, underline reinforcement joining. So plus 2,400. Left hand help but join out. So 3,600 plus 2,400, the value is 6,000. 6,000 question mark. M1 D1, M2 D2. Question mark men to formula M1 D1 into M2 D is the formula. M1 D1 into M2 D is the formula. M1 means 3,600 into D1 is 40. M2 is 6,000 into D2. These 2 zeros, 0 cancel 6 ones, 6 6 6 into 4 is equal to 24 is equal to D2. So the value of number of days is 24 is the answer. Number of days is 24 days is the answer. 24 days is the answer. So same one we could like last 20. So also once again చెప్తున్నానంటే all of you మీరు నెట్వర్క్ ఎమ్మటే రాకపోతే కంగారు పడకండి. ఈ వీడియో రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది. సో జస్ట్ ఒక 2-3 మినిట్స్ మిస్ అయినా కూడా మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి యాప్లోకి వెళ్ళేసి డైస్ యాప్లో ఆల్రెడీ ఈ వీడియో ఇవాళ డేట్తో నిన్న మీకు చెప్పాను, 28 జనవరి డేట్తో పెట్టాను వీడియో. అదేవిధంగా ఇవాళ కూడా డేట్తో మీకు వీడియో వస్తుంది. ఏమైనా మిస్ అయినా కూడా ఇమీడియట్ మళ్ళీ 2-3 సార్లు చూసుకోండి, ఏం పర్లేదు, కంగారు పడకండి. ఎందుకంటే మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ వీడియో అంతా రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి కంగారు పడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఒక 2-3 మినిట్స్ పోయింది అనుకోండి, నెక్స్ట్ తర్వాత ఒక 1 అవర్లో ఈ క్లాస్ కూడా 1 అవర్లో మీకు డేటా ఆల్రెడీ మీ డైస్ యాప్లోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది, వీడియో మొత్తం నేను చెప్పిన క్లాస్ మొత్తం వస్తుంది. చక్కగా 3-4 టైమ్స్ మళ్ళీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, ఏం పర్లేదు. ఓకే, సో ఈ ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఓన్లీ మన ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లో ఉందండి. మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఎవరు జస్ట్ లైవ్ చెప్పేసి వెళ్ళిపోతారు. మనకి మీకు లైవ్ తో పాటు రికార్డ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఈ రికార్డ్ ఏమంటే మీరు చూసుకోవచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ అవర్ స్పెషాలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. మళ్ళీ క్లాసెస్ అని కూడా నేను మళ్ళీ ఆఫ్లైన్ మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను, డోంట్ వరీ. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏంటంటే మనం టైం వేస్ట్ చేసుకోకుండా వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ చెప్తాం. మళ్ళీ ఈ క్లాసెస్ అని కూడా నేను మళ్ళీ ఆఫ్లైన్ మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. చైతన్య, ఓకే, చైతన్య 2-3 మినిట్స్. 2-3 మినిట్స్ క్లాస్ అనేది మీకు ఆల్రెడీ వీడియో యాప్ రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది, ఆ యాప్ చూస్తున్నా, ఏం పర్లేదు. ఓకే, సేమ్ మోడల్ ఇస్తున్నానండి, సేమ్ మోడల్ ఇస్తున్నాను. క్వశ్చన్ రైట్ ఆన్ ద క్వశ్చన్. వెరీ గుడ్ చైతన్య. Same model I am giving in the chart box. Right on the question. So something asking me to Chetan, when will start the offline? So Chetan, actually, I hope up to 1 week or 10 days. Corona is very dangerous in the state. So I hope after 10 days we can go for the offline class. After 10 days. So this week is very peak. I am giving information to you. Don't go to outside also. Don't go to outside also. That's why, because in the state complete virus is there. So these 10 days are very peak. So that's why what I'm telling is don't go to outside. It is better way to stay in the home only. So someone will be affected more seriously. That's why it is very serious now in the state. So it will take nearly 10 days. After 10 days, you can go for the offline class. Depends on the government decision. Okay, right, Chetan? But don't worry, Chetan. Whenever the issue to offline class open, I'll tell you all these classes. Okay, right on the question. I'm screen sharing also. A fourth of 2,500 as provisions for 25 days. After 9 days, there is a reinforcement of 1,500. How long will the province last? Same model, same model. So someone asking, is the live classes available in online, even in offline class also? No. Why? Because only when I'm telling online classes, it is recording in my laptop. I'm sending to you. I don't know who is asking. Answer from Trinmay, 10 days, right answer from Nihar, so 10 days, right answer. Saujanya, 10 days, very good answers. Kalyan, Ganesh, very good answers, very good answers. Srikanth. So only when, but these all the topics are recorded in my laptop. So if you want the online classes, I will send you the recording classes. Don't worry. Sai Kumar, 10. Chaitanya, 10. Very good answer. Very good answer. So I am also doing here. So first of all, 2,500 has put for 25 days. After 9 days, 9 days minus 2,500 has put for 16 days. Here there is a reinforcement of 1,500 plus 50. So it becomes 4,000. How many days? So 2,500 into 16 is equal to 4,000 into D. M1 D1 is M2 D2. These two zeros cancel. 8 2 times, 8 5 times. 8 2 16 5. 5 ones, 5 5s. 5 into 2, 10 is equal to D. 10 is equal to D2. The answer is 10 is equal to D2. 10 is equal to D2. So after 9 days, subtract from -9, it becomes 2,516 days put there is a reinforcement is plus 1,500. 4,000 members question mark. So the answer is 10 is the correct answer. Okay. Now we can go for the same model and then I'm giving for you. So this is a new model. Write on this one. See the model. A small change is there. Do it, try it. Write on the question. I am screen sharing also. A garrison has provisions for 20 days. After 5 days, 600 men left, and the provisions last for 24 days now. Find the number of men at the beginning. Find the number of men at the beginning. Find the number of men at the beginning. So initially, we don't know how many men. A garrison has province for 20 days. After 5 days, 600 men left, and the province last for 24 days now. Find number of it. So first of all, initially we don't know how many men. I'm assuming X men. X men has a food for 20 days. After 5 days, means subtract -5. This X men has food for 15 days. 20 minus 15 days. 15 days. Now, after 5 days, the 600 left means minus 600. So it becomes X minus 600. So we will food loss for 24 days. 24 days. Food loss for 24 days. ఈ విధంగా ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ మెన్ డేస్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మెన్ అండ్ డేస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మెన్ అండ్ డేస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇది M1 ఇది D1. M1 D1. M1 D1 is X into 50 is equal to M2 D2 X minus 600 into 24 into 24. So 3 table 3 5s are 3 8s are 5 into x, so 5x is equal to 8 into x, 8x, bracket open into 8x minus 8 6 are 48. 48. Minus 48 is currently 5. So it is a plus 4800. 8x minus 5x, 3x. 8x minus 5, 3x. 3 ones, 3 16s. So 1600 is equal to x. So the value of x is 1600. The value of x is, so initially the man is 1600. Initially the man is 1600. First of all, I am assuming there are x men, the provision for 20 days. After 5 days is minus 5 days. So x men in 15 days. Here 600 left, minus 600, x minus 600 and 24 days. In those 24 days, what you put? So M1 D1, M2 D2. Formula M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. X into 15 is equal to x minus 600 into 24. 3 table, 3 5s, 3 8s. 5 into x, 5x is equal to 8 into x, 8x minus 8 6 are 1400. 1400. So minus 48 is 7 plus 7 go to minus 1. Plus 1400, 8x minus 5, 3x. 3 1 3 16 48. So 1600 is equal to x. 1600 is equal to x. So the value of x is 1600. So starting the men being around x is starting and then 1600 numbers is the answer. Right now you can go for the same model. Same model important already I am sharing for you. That's the last one now. Once again, see in the chart box also. ఇంకోటి స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసుకోండి, అది రాసుకోండి, ఏం పర్లేదు, టైం ఉంది. Once again, see in the chart box. Right on the questions. సో వీడియో స్ట్రక్ అవుతుంది. ఫ్రమ్ మై సైడ్ నో ప్రాబ్లం. So that is from your side only. You can check out. Here the network is full. Banu. Here the network is full. So if any problem, don't worry. You can see the Kiranmay 9000, right answer from Kiranmay. Kalyan 9000, Saulinya 9000, Ganesh 9000. Very good answers, very good answers, very good answers. Very good answers. Whatever remaining, the answer is 9,000 is the correct answer. Same one, Iran chair. As is the chair. We only chair compulsory. I'm giving 1 minute time for you. Go 1 minute time is going to change. Answer already solving a Ganesh paper. 9,000 is the correct answer. Same video model. Chaitanya 9,000, very good answer. Okay, so the answer is 9,000. Already have given the problem. Now we can go for the same one. You go to change. We only channel. Okay, like in already cheppanu. Don't worry. Answers kuda undi gaadi. Don't worry. See this question. One second. A small change is in this one. Do we try it? Write in the question. I am screen sharing the question also. A fourth has provisions for 25 days. After 10 days, 1600 joined means it plus this for in place of a plus 1600. And the provision lasts for 9 days. Find the original strength. Find the original strength. A fourth has provisions for 25 days. After 10 days, so an equation would ask. So first of all, X1 food enrollment 25 days. X1 food 25 days. After 10 days and 25 minus 10, 15 days. Here 1600. So when food enrollment only 9 days. 9 days. So X minus 620 food only 9 days. 9 days. మన ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకున్నట్లయితే సో x into 9 is equal to x minus 600 into 9. It is 25 minus 16 days. So 15 days later, x into 15. So x into 59 days. The equation. Change it to the answer already I am getting from 6 members. Very good answers. 2,400. Very good. My Saulinya, Chetan, and so on. Very good answers. Very good answers. So equation answer and already equation answer. x into 15 is equal to x minus 16. Equation కూడా రాస్తారు already. So నేను కొట్టేసి చూడండి. 3 3s are 3 5s. 5 into x 5x is equal to 3 into x 3x minus 16 into 3 is 16 into 48 into. So you need to minus into. So negative value is also 3x minus negative value is there. So ఇక్కడ join అనేది plus sign plus join plus. So that's why 2x is equal to 4800. 2 1s to 24s. So x is equal to 2400. Join అనేది కాబట్టి కలపాలి. Join అనేది కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేయాలి. Join అని చెప్పాడు కాబట్టి కలపాలి, యాడ్ చేయాలి. వెరీ గుడ్ హుసేన్. x plus 16. వెరీ గుడ్ సార్, వెరీ గుడ్ హుసేన్. ఇంకోటి ఇస్తున్నాను, సేమ్ ఇదే మోడ్ ఇంకోటి ఇస్తున్నాను. సేమ్ ఇదే మోడ్ ఇంకోటి ఇస్తున్నాను. డూ ఇట్ రైట్. 1 second, see in the chart box. One second, you can see in the chart box. Write the question. A fort has provisions for 50 days. A fort has provisions for 50 days. 50 days. After 11 days, 1,000 men joined, and the provisions last for 15 days now. Find the original strength. Find the original strength. A fort has provisions for 50 days. After 11 days, 1,000 men joined, and the provisions last for 15 days now. Find the original strength. Do it. $625 from Kalyan. Very good answer from Kalyan. Sorry, can you please post the question once again? Okay, Kalyan. Now I can bring my answer 3 from Prasad. Okay. 625 South India. Sai Kumar 625. Very good answers. Ganesh also 625. Hussein also 625. Very good. Same model. Same model. 625 is the correct answer. 625 is the correct answer. Okay, this model is over. Now we go for next a new model. A new model. So I hope this video is also ending within 10 minutes. So with that, our class is over. So we can slowly increase our class. Now I'm telling nearly 80 minutes class for you daily. So slowly we can increase to 2 hours class. Okay. So suddenly increasing. So someone people is new to the online classes. That's why I'm going slowly increasing the class. So I hope this class will be end within 10 minutes. So don't worry. So tomorrow you can see the class. Okay. And I'm going for the next new method. This class is going to end within 10 minutes. Don't worry, I'm slowly increase the class. Suddenly, okay, sir, 3-4 hours class and online వెళ్ళామండి. So slowly increase చేసుకుంటూ వద్దాం. మీరు దీనికి అలవాటు పడాలి. Okay, Now, next new model, write on the question. Write on the question. I'm screen sharing the question also. Before answer 625, we only change the. A vessel is partially filled with a mixture of 60 liters milk and water in the ratio of 3:2. Find the quantity of water to be added to change the ratio to 2:3. To change the ratio to 2:3. Write down the question first of all. So already I got answer from one of the member. Who is that person? Neha 620. Very good. Very good. Now see here, a vessel is, so in a vessel, 60 liters mixture is there. What is this mixture? Milk and water is there. In this, milk is 3 parts, water is 2 parts. For this, water, some extra water added, milk water becomes 3:2. 3:2. How much water is, so it becomes 2:3. 2:3, how much water is added? How, so 3 is 2, 2 is 3. So how much water is added? This is the question. So I have given the data for you. See here, in a vessel, 6 liters mixture, milk 3 parts, water 2 parts is there first of all. So the water added is plus 2:3. And how much water added? How much water is added? So first of all, the ratio prakaram milk and milk is equal to milk part is 3 by total part 3 plus 2 5. Total amount 60. 5 ones 5 12s. 12 into 3 36 liters milk is there. What about water? Water is equal to water part 2. Total part 3 plus 2 5. Total amount 60. 5 ones 5 12s. 12 into 20. So in this mixture, 36 liters water is there, 36 liters water is there, and 24 liters the 36 milk is there, 24 water is there. Now what I am doing is, see here, what I am doing is, we have to find out the extra water. I got to answer from 30 from Sai, right answer. So water acid 36 by milk acid. For this water 24, I am adding some X liters water. This ratio becomes 2:3, means 2/3. This is the condition. Milk acid 36 by 24, some X liters water added, so 24x is equal to, this ratio becomes 2:3, means 2/3. 2/3, that is the condition. So cross from between 3 into 36, 3 into 36, 108, 2 into 24, 48 plus 2x. 48 is 60 is equal to 2x, 2 ones, 2 30s. So 30 is equal to x. So how much water is added? So 30 is water is added. So once again see here, 60 liters mixture లో milk and water 3:2 ratio లో అది కాస్త ఈ వాటర్ కి యాడ్ అయిన వాటర్ 2:3 మారిపోయింది. How much water? ఎంత వాటర్ యాడ్ అయింది కదా? మిల్క్ ఎంత అంటే 3 by total water 3 plus 2 5 to 60 36. వాటర్ ఎంత అంటే 2 by 5 into 60 5 5 to 20 24. సో ఈ మిల్క్ యాసిడ్ అట్లే ఉంది, వాటర్ సమ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా వాటర్ యాడ్ అయింది 24 plus x. So 24 plus x. So 36 by 24 plus x is equal to 2/3. So 2/3. So 108 is equal to 36 into 108 is equal to 2 into 24 48 plus 2x. 48 is equal to 60 is equal to x. X is equal to 630. X is equal to 30. ఈ విధంగా చేయొచ్చు. ఇది జనరల్ మెథడ్. షార్ట్ కట్ ఎలా చేస్తామంటే చూడండి, దీనికి షార్ట్ కట్ ఎలా చేయాలంటే ఫార్ములా ఏంటి అంటే x into AD minus BC by A plus B into C. This is the formula. Shortcut formula ఏంటంటే x into AD minus BC by A plus B into C. The formula is x into AD minus BC by A plus. X అంటే ఏంటంటే ఈ టోటల్ మిక్చర్ x అంటారు. టోటల్ మిక్చర్ 60 into AD. ఈ ఫస్ట్ రేషియో A B C D అంటారు. A B C D. AD అంటే 3 into 3 9 minus BC అంటే 2 into 2 4 by A plus B, first one to A plus B, 3 plus 2, 5 into C and 2 into 10. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 9 minus 4, 5, if I can, 60 by 2. 60 by 2 and 30. This is the answer. So shortcut is by one step only, that is 30 is the answer. Formula is x into AD minus BC by A plus B into C is the formula. X అంటే 60, total mixture, AD first station ABR, second station CDL is called. Okay, రాయండి రాసుకునేవారు. So within a few seconds, it is going to wind up. I am giving another problem for you in the chart box. You can try it. You can try it home because this video is going to wind up within 2 minutes. So we can see the same model tomorrow also. Don't worry. So today you can try the same model and then also. One second, I will left on the board. 1 second. Write up the questions. ఇది రాసుకోమంటే చార్ట్ బాక్స్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చిన రాసుకున్నా. So the video is going to end within 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, our class will be over. So slowly we can increase the time slowly because this is an online class. So some students will feel tough. How to open the video, how to see it, how to use the options. It will take some time for them. So those who are learning first time. So that's why I'm taking slowly, you can go for the increase the time. So first day I have taken only 40 minutes, second day I have taken 80 minutes, third day I can go for some, I will lengthen just some 10 more minutes. Like that, this week slowly you can go for, then you can get automatically how to operate all the values. So operate మీకు ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. ఒకే రోజు చెప్తే మీరు కూడా ఇబ్బంది పడతారు. అది స్లోగా ముందు మనం ఆన్లైన్ కి అలవాటు పడాలంటే ఒక 3-4 days టైం పడుతుంది. స్లోగా టైం ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తారు. ఓకే, సో ఈ వీడియో గురించి చెప్తున్న వీడియో మొత్తం రికార్డ్ అయింది. ఒక 1 hour తర్వాత మీ యొక్క యాప్లోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది, డైస్ యాప్లోకి వస్తుంది. చెక్ చేసుకోండి. So whatever the question I have given, I am screen sharing also. What is the shortcut formula? X into AD minus BC by A plus B into C. X into AD minus BC by A plus B. X is the total mixture, AB and first mixture, first ratio CD and second ratio. First ratio AB and second ratio CD and second ratio CD and. సో ఎవరైతే లేట్గా క్లాస్కి వచ్చారో వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఒకసారి యాప్లోకి వెళ్ళి చూసుకోండి. యాప్లోకి వెళ్ళి ఎక్కడ మిస్ అయ్యామో అక్కడి మళ్ళీ లెక్క చూసుకోండి. అదేవిధంగా 2 times Karuna 19 is the right answer. Sai Kumar 19 is the right answer. Very good answers. Very good answers. Very good. Kalyan, Nata Hussain, Ganesh. Very good answer. Very good answer. Very good answer. So in the speed గా చేశారు కాబట్టి నేను ఇంకొక క్వశ్చన్ కూడా ఇస్తున్నాను. ఇంకొక క్వశ్చన్ కూడా యాడ్ చేస్తున్నానండి. I will try it, but the video is going to within a few seconds. It is going.